Hi Cattail Acres friends and family, welcome back to the channel. This morning we are working on the start of the Hugelcultur pile that we're wanting to make here on the homestead. Let me show you that. So Tom has some of our bigger logs from the felled trees and branches where we've had to clear things out a bit. And he's dug a shallow pit here where the mound will be. Here in just a little bit, we're gonna start filling it in with other branches and leaves and all kinds of stuff. And the idea is to make a slow composting, self-perpetuating, self-watering mound where we can grow things like herbs and flowers for the bees and things that won't have to be disturbed all the time. So I'm going to help him a little bit with this and we'll be back. Here are some more of the logs that we're going to put into the Hugelcultur pile. Not the big railroad tie, that's going to stay here as a border for the path to the beehives. We really are liking this clear chip mulch path, and I think at some point we'll probably continue the chip mulch all the way out, but it's doing pretty good as just having a footpath here. We're starting to wear it in there pretty good, just coming out to take care of the bees. And speaking of the bees, we're going to try to figure a way to put that box or another small half box up in this tree or on a stand. I think he's wanting to put it on a stand about 6 foot tall so that we can try to catch our swarm this year. For now, let me go ahead and get these larger branches in there so that he can bring the chip mulch around.